In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add documents and files in Todoist. This process can be really handy if you're aiming to keep all your resources organized right within your tasks. So, let's dive into it and get your documents added effortlessly. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to Todoist's login page by typing in app.todoist.com/login. This is where you'll input your credentials to access your Todoist account. Now, once you're on the login page, go ahead and enter your email address in the designated field. After that, type in your password. If you've forgotten your password, there's always an option to reset it, so don't worry. Now, if you prefer, you can log in using alternative methods such as Google, Facebook, or Apple, which are often quicker if you're already signed into one of these accounts on your device. Once you're logged into your account, next you'll want to navigate to the task you wish to add a file to. If you have a lot of tasks, you can use the search bar or filter options to quickly find the specific task. After locating your task, open up its details to proceed with adding your document or file. Look for the paperclip icon within the task's details section. This paperclip signifies the attachment option, allowing you to attach a file directly to the task. After clicking on the paperclip icon, it's time to select the file you want to upload. A File Explorer window will pop up, prompting you to browse through the files on your computer. Simply navigate to the desired file, select it, and confirm your selection to upload it to Todoist. For those who prefer not to upload files directly, Todoist also offers an alternative option. You can copy the link to your document and paste it into the task's comments section. This is particularly useful for sharing cloud-based documents that might be updated frequently, ensuring that the link always directs to the most current version of the document. And there you go. Whether you're uploading a file directly or adding a link, Todoist makes it quite straightforward to keep all the materials associated with your task in one convenient place. By keeping everything neatly organized, you can ensure seamless collaboration and easy access to all your project resources. I hope this guide was helpful for you and that you're now ready to integrate documents into your Todoist tasks like a pro. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found this tutorial useful. See you in the next video.